Few projects are as potentially dangerous as the simple act of digging into the ground. That's because not all buried electrical lines, cables, pipelines, and gas lines are documented, and not all are actually where they are supposed to be. One excavator blade strike to a fiber optic cable can be costly. One spark near a gas line can be deadly. That's why your best option is a technique called hydroexcavation. The concept is straightforward. Eliminate mechanical digging by using pressurized water to expose underground pipelines and utilities. High-pressure water excavates by creating a slurry with the soil and other solids, and this material is then vacuumed into a tank on a self-contained hydroexcavation truck. Hydroexcavation is better because it's safer for people near the worksite. It avoids damage to buried lines, and it's more precise, so it works better in tight, congested locations. Hydroexcavation is a proven technique that's been used for many years, but not every service company does it the same way. There's a difference with Evergreen, and you'll see it in the skills and experience of our crew, the capabilities of our equipment, and in our absolute obsession with safety.
Evergreen Industrial Services hydroexcavation trucks are used in multiple service lines. We use them inside of chemical plants and refineries as well as pipelines. These trucks save a lot of money and a lot of time and are very safe. When we designed these trucks, we had most state-of-the-art features installed. It's from being able to run 2 guns at one time, which can increase productivity at a very minimal cost, to being able to dewater our barrels and reduce the time that we spend on dumping.
Okay, I'm going to show you some features on this truck, kind of what it's designed to do and its capabilities. On the control panels, we have dual reels, one in the front and one in the rear, so we can run 2 handguns at one time to cut more efficiently. Up here we have a heater box where if we hit the hard, dry clays, we can heat our water up. It will cut faster that way. Back here we have a water tank. It's 1,250 gallons. Separate with the holding tank, which is a 16-yard bed, holds 16 yards of material. This is our control panel. We have an automated remote, so we can be watching over the job while we're running it.
State-of-the-art equipment is one way to ensure safety, but at Evergreen, it's our training and our commitment that makes the difference.
Evergreen safety is started from the time that we get to the site to the time we leave. It's first assessed with a JSA and a toolbox meeting. We then go to the dig site and we determine all safety hazards that are possible on the dig site before we start.
That's just part of the preparation and the resources Evergreen puts into your project. Here's an example of how it all comes together.
Today we'll be out here at excavation down here in Webster. We're working for a pipeline company, and they want us to uncover a 20-inch line that is approximately 11 feet deep. Because of the surrounding pipelines, they cannot use a track hoe or backhoe. And we'll locate the line in the casing, and then we'll expand it 6 feet out, 11 feet deep, and about 30 feet long. That way they can put the shoring boxes in. Once the shoring boxes are in, they're going to enter, they're going to cut the line, the 20-inch line, and pull it out. Once the line is out, they will pack grouting in the line and abandon it. They're just wanting to remove the existing line.
The success of a hydroexcavation job is measured in terms of safety and productivity. This project was completed on time, under budget, and with complete safety for people, pipeline assets, and the environment. The pipeline company was so pleased, they immediately awarded Evergreen additional projects in the area. For results like these on your next project, call the hydroexcavation experts at Evergreen.